Hi, my name is Tony de Graaf from Burks and welcome to 2 at 23 Axford Street in Como, a modern, spacious, well-pointed home on its own 351 square metre survey strata allotment. The kitchen represents the cornerstone of this beautiful home. Top brand European appliances, stone bench tops, and all part of a functional, open plan floor design that is generous, yet provides additional living space for when you want some alone time. The master suite epitomises luxury with a corner spa bath, double vanity, a walk-through robe, and a huge south-facing balcony with fantastic views.